playing.
Okay. Hello, people. We're sweeping. And it's disgusting. And we found a horse and 3 logs.
Here, take this. I want to see what's behind there. I can't see. Look, all the papers are destroyed.
And it's disgusting. Oh, wait, give me that. What is that?
I don't know.
Give me.
That's disgusting. This is what we live in here.
We can't even get to the microwave. I was gonna show the microwave. Well, we can't really get there. Oh no, it doesn't close. That's what the microwave looks like. It's disgusting.
Ew.
We found a horse. Here, you can take this. My pants fell down.
I gotta get the broom. I have to put this box somewhere. It weighs like...
How are we gonna get this out of here?
I don't know.
I'm gonna carry this. I think this is considered garbage.
You can't even breathe in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, when's this label from? 1920?
What? I thought this was an egg carton.
Where have you seen a label that looks like this in a while?
So you throw it on the floor? The dust is so dusty that it doesn't come up because it's stuck to the ground because it's so bad here. We're throwing away a rag.
It's okay. Linda, you have to sleep it that way because there's a box with a horse in it.
The box is in the way, just move it.
Hold on.
And so I'm not going all the way back. Oh my god.
Charles Most?
What?
Who's Charles?
Who's Charles Moose?
Most.
Most?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Here. I'll stand this up so they can watch us.
They probably can't see us, U.S. mail.
I'm scared to put this up
Break the whole shelf. Here. Okay, we both don't fit. What? John? I gotta show him my present. Hold on.
Wait! Linda, I'm stuck!
Hold on. I'm stuck.
What is that?
John, I have to show you something.
It's probably rotten food.
I have to show you something. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. We're cleaning. We are. Look at what we did. Yeah, no one told us to. We found an extension cord label from 1920. And a horse. Some more. This is all we found in this room, and there's more. This was on the floor. You should see what our microwave looks like. It's yellow and orange. It's like orange and it should be white. It should be clear. clean.
Yeah, you're fine.
Why not?
I have my wisdom teeth out. Why didn't you do that?
Oh yeah, you did. Were you puffy? How did that feel? Did you cry? Because when I came home, I cried because I was starving and I couldn't eat. I cried.
I was in extremely bad pain, but
I cried and I was watching Naruto. The video's still playing. Oh, bring it out here.
I don't. Ow! I'm trying the video.
I want to be in our video. So it's been recording the filing cabinet?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
We're making a video of our discoveries, like we used to do when we were freshmen.
We have documentaries on Facebook.
We have documentaries because in this closet we found 200 packets of ketchup. And we thought it was funny.
They made our school in 1960.
Should I have the camera?
No, 1940.
Where's the camera?
Right here.
Give me.
Told you to leave him alone. He's angry.
He goes. Stop throwing stuff.
Have the history of Wilcox.
Maybe they want the history of Wilcox. Why are you throwing it away?
I don't want the history of Wilcox.
Why are you throwing everything away? You know what? We need inspirational music to clean. I got this.
Should I stop this now?
No.
You should go.
Have some more.
Torture the freshman.
Get up and die before we clean. Why is there an airplane?
I don't know. We're keeping this forever.
Okay. There's a water bottle.
I know, I put it there. That's loud. I just broke the broom. Would you like to film?
Would I?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want it anymore. Tired of holding it. Are you gonna dance? You're a bad dancer.
Hey, Shanna, look, there's an extension cord. Do you want it for your microwave?
No. How long is this?
That's like 9 minutes.
Oh my god.
You come here.
I found an East Dale. What?
There's a whole bunch of cups.
What? I don't need that. Why'd you throw it on the ground? I wonder where the ketchup is.
I think it's in here.
Look, I can give myself an award.
For what?
I don't know. I gave myself a detention too. I can leave early. Okay. We should put the cups in here.
Why are there cups?
No, don't move it.
What cups?
Jacob, look how big it is.
Remember my husband? And then I was like,
He's as tall as this cabinet.
yeah.
How tall am I next to the cabinet?
Can you check? You're not married anymore. You got married like 4 times. He doesn't talk to me anymore. He blocks me on Facebook.
Why?
Because something, I don't know. Yeah.
Where does he live? Texas?
No, he lives in like Canada. Yeah, because you wanted to put the Oh Canada song on his wall, remember? Here, take it.
Oh, Canada.
Yeah. That was in our video. Where the computer crashed and then you were like, fuck.
Freshman year was beautiful.
I know. I feel like Sora.
Why?
I got puffy. Like puffy.
Should I turn this off now?
I don't care.
Okay, we're leaving. Bye.
Bye.
You want to say bye?